This question might apparently look like very difficult, but it's not. As long as the kid knows that the area of a rectangle is the length multiplied by the width, and the perimeter of a rectangle is the sum of all the sides, they should be able to solve it very easily. Now, it does require some knowledge of adding, multiplying, dividing fractions, which is usually taught in the third grade. So, kids from the third grade to the fourth grade should be able to solve this without any trouble. The question says a rectangle and a square have the same perimeter. The length of the rectangle is twice that of the width of the rectangle. What is a fraction of the area of the rectangle to the area of the square? So I've been given a square, let's call the square x, and there's a rectangle, they're not to shape, it's called y. And it says that the perimeter of x, which is the sum of all the sides of x, is the same as the perimeter of y, which is the sum of all the sides of y. Let's mark the length of the side of x to be a. So a square has all the four sides which are equal, so all of them would be a. And let's mark the length of the rectangle y to be b and the width to be c. So if this side is b, then this side is also going to be b. If this side is c, then the opposite side is also going to be c. Now let's look at the clues. The clue says, first clue, perimeter is the same. So perimeter of x, rectangle x, is the same as perimeter of rectangle y. What does this mean in terms of lengths and widths? This means perimeter of x, which is a plus a plus a plus a, is the same as perimeter of y, which is b plus c plus b plus c. Can I simplify this? Yes. If I add all the left hand side, it's 4a is 2 times b plus 2 times c. I can simplify this further by dividing both sides by 2. 4a by 2 is the same as 2b by 2 plus 2c by 2. Or 2a is equal to b plus c. Let's mark this as our first clue. Our second clue is length of the rectangle is twice that of the width of the rectangle. Now it's talking about the rectangle y, in which the length, which is b, is twice that of the width, which is c. So second clue, this is the first clue. Second clue says length of y is 2 times the width of y, or length of y is b is 2 times that of c. To c. Okay. These are the two clues. Now, can I simplify this a little bit more? Yes, I can. If I put the value of b from 2 into 1, I can simplify this even more. So what I'll do is I'll put value of b from 2 into 1. So one says 2a equal to b plus c, and I replace b with 2c that I found here plus c. I have just replaced the b with the value of b that I have seen in equation 2. So 2a is nothing but 3c, or a is 3 by 2 c. I'll keep this for now. Now let's find out about the question. What is it asking? It's saying, what is the fraction of the area of the rectangle to that of the square? So I have to find two things. I have to find the area of rectangle, which is y, and I have to find area of square, which is x, and I have to do the fraction. So let's find what is the area of rectangle A first. Let's do this one first. Area of rectangle y is nothing but length of y multiplied by width of y. And we have assumed that length of y is b and width of y is c. So the area of rectangle y is b multiplied by c. Let's go back and do that calculation. Is b multiplied by c. But I also know that b is 2 times c. From equation 2, I know b is 2 times c. So let me replace b with 2 times c multiplied by c. Okay. And this is the area of rectangle y. Let's mark this as 4. Now let's look at area of the square. Area of square x is equal to length of x multiplied by width of x. Now since it's a square, the length and the width are the same, and we have said that the length and the width of x is going to be a. So this is a multiplied by a. Can I simplify this? Yes. I know a from equation 3. I know a is 1.5 times that of c. So let me replace each of these a's with c's. So this is 3 by 2 c multiplied by 3 by 2 to c. If I simplify this, 3 and 3, 9, by 2 and 2, 4, into c into c. Let me do this as 5. Now for the answer, I have to find the fraction of the rectangle, which is y, to the area of the rectangle, which is x. Right? So this is the area of x. So area of y divided by area of x is what I have to find out, is equal to, from 4 I can say area of y is 2 into c into c divided by area of x. From here, from equation 5, I know area of x is 9 by 4 into c into c. Now because c multiplied by c appears in the numerator and the denominator, they will cancel each other out. And I would be left with 2 divided by 9 by 4. If I simplify this fraction, it will be 2 into 4 by 9, which is equal to 8 by 9. So here, the answer to this question would be area of rectangle divided by area of square is equal to 8 by 9. That's the fraction that it's asking. And that's the answer.